Yes, my ladies, welcome. Today we've got compilation of beautiful traditional dresses for you all to rock and for you all to slay. We've got these dresses for you so that you can look good, and thank God it is Friday. We want to appreciate your effort on this channel. So we've got these combinations of beautiful traditional Shweshwe and social designs. Okay, so all of these designs are for the southern region of Africa. So we want you to kindly check them out, rock them, slay them, look good, look beautiful, look super stylish, and look stunning. These are the most trending, fashionable, and cute designs that you all can slay and you all can rock. We've got these designs for you, and we don't want you to miss out on all of these designs. Thank God it is Friday. Kindly look good everywhere you find yourself. Bye-bye. It's magic.
It's Park City, baby. I remember when I was small, I say I want to be a big girl. Now I'm growing old. I wanna know how to be in love with you. Doesn't matter where you're from. It should be love, no get conditional. When I see your face, every time my heart keeps racing. What's a song? This love put it burn like fire. Ile ashu, ile amo. Along me we go there together. I go stay with you, titi dale. Back where do me, titi dale. I go stay with you, titi dale. Back where do me, titi dale. For real, and I know that you see that in me. Take a look at this family tree. Oh boy, I love my gem memorial. Take me with you anywhere you go. Whether night down or you roll, hold me tight and don't let me go. Even when you can control. I go stay with you, titi dale. Back when you me, titi dale.
So all my beautiful ladies, if you are a big fan of exclusive styles, please kindly like our video, click on the like button, and share our video to other fashionistas, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So my ladies, as you keep checking out these wonderful designs, okay, you can see them how beautiful those dresses looks. these are top-notch designs that keeps trending all over the world. This is a wedding ceremony of the southern region of Africa. Okay, so these are Sosa dresses. Okay, so they are beautiful designs that you ladies can love. Thank God it is Friday. A very good weekend for the parties, occasions, events, and the likes. Okay, so we want you to check them out. Look good on these African dresses. Okay, so as we continue to dish out these beautiful designs, you can see the compilations of all of these designs, both Shweshwe, Sosa dresses, Sepedi dresses, and the likes. Okay, so they are top African designs that ladies can always rock for themselves. Okay? Owambe are the best fashionable, especially style best fashionable channel that always rock for themselves. Okay, so don't forget that we say Owambe. So here in the country where I come from, Owambe means you rock any designs to any parties. Here, so the same things should go for other countries too. So keep checking out these beautiful South African designs. Okay, love them, slay them, look good, look stunning, look super stylish, because we got you covered on all of these dresses. So Shweshwe are the best fashion dresses. And also check out some of these dresses on our website. It is very, very important. Keep checking them out on Owambe styles, exclusive styles, and also other fashion label dresses. Okay, so don't forget that beautiful styles like this are mostly found here on exclusive styles. So we want you to keep supporting us. We want you to keep slaying all of these beautiful designs. Okay, so just sit back, relax, watch the masterpiece of the video from beginning to the end. Thank you for all your support on this channel. We got you covered all times, always on this channel. Thank you for watching. You can click on this button to subscribe, and also click on this particular picture button to check more on our website. Thank you very much.